My name is Melly. I am a student with Darry.io. Previously, I had two different, registration with two other companies. The first one, after being on the phone for a while, about two different conversations, when I got the course content, it was not as tailored, which is what I was looking for. The second one was tailored, but it wasn't real-world use cases, which is what brought me to Darry.io. It was tailored from LAMP, I've already done LAMP, to LAMP, mean stack, there's Git, how to connect Git to GitHub and all the other remote repositories, to working with clients, to mysql clients, to remote servers. I'm currently working on the storage LVM. So it's quite a very detailed form. I haven't even touched Terraform or Jenkins or Kubernetes. They're all there in the details of the courses, which was quite important for me. And one more thing that stands out for Darry.io is when you've tried, you can't really be able to seem to break through. All you have to do is click on the link. There's a link that they have, and you can do the one-on-one session. So with that, I've been able to carry on when I get error messages. So when you book the one-on-one sessions, you then go forward with troubleshooting together, and that's the end of it. So I would suggest that anyone who's still quite not too sure about joining Darry.io, for me personally, I find it very useful, and it's been a good journey so far. I hope to see you soon.